आज 1000 में मेरी बहना है कि सेट पर कुछ ज्यादा ही चहल पहल है, और वो इसलिए क्योंकि मानवी और विराट के कुछ फैंस पहुंचे हैं सेट पर उनसे मिलने।
Hi, you can see a big smile on my face, and that's not because I'm too happy. It's because I have got some very cute looking fans around, and it's just. Okay, say hi. Hi. And that's the Hans who organized the entire, this meeting. Say, at least say hi. You can't be this shy. You're looking nice.
Romana,
Shishmita, Lavisha, Anita, Dhwani.
Dhwani is your name. Hi, I'm Nia. But really nice. I mean, अभी सुबह से boring shoot चल रहा था, बारिश हो रही थी. I was like, I felt like sleeping, but just इन्होंने enter किया. And I must mention the kind of gifts and wraps they are carrying. तो मुझे लगा जैसे मेरी actually आज शादी है, तो शादी में कोई gifts देने आते हैं. Actually, I want to show you one. Show no. See this. I mean, don't you think कि किसी की शादी में भी ऐसा कभी किसी ने गिफ्ट रैप किसी को दिया होगा? I don't know what's inside this. It seems empty. तुम पागल तो नहीं हो?
Open करके देखो.
But it's such a lovely packing. ऐसा I think it takes a creative mind to pack stuff like this, and I have never seen a wrapping like this. Okay, unfortunately, Kushal is not there, so I'm sorry on his behalf. You can all say hi to him. Hi Kushal.
Yeah.
We will miss you as Manvi. Don't wanna make me cry. अरे मेरे साइज का दो मेरे बच्चे के लिए बनाया है.
Sweetness out of a thing which you can keep lifelong.
That's that good.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
We have a same thing for Kushal. It's just that his name is there on it. That Virat, as Virat. Yeah.
Kushal, the same thing goes for you, but पीछे विराट लिखा हुआ है. I will keep this entire thing with myself because it looks yum. काश ये मेरे साइज का होता मैं पहन के घूमती. But it's okay, मेरे होने वाले बेबी के काम आएगा.
Yeah, baby, come.
Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you sad? And do you hate me after watching?
No, not at all.
No,
मैंने से blend कर रहे हैं.
And ये तब हुआ है जब इनको मैंने बहुत strictly इसको ध्वनि को मैंने बहुत strictly मना किया था. Please no gifts, okay? You can just come and meet us. But it's okay. It's the farewell. I can accept all. It's okay. That's one thing I'm really going to miss after this. The pure love that has come. I mean, ये मेरे कुछ लगते नहीं है, मैं इनकी कुछ लगती नहीं हूँ, but you know it's just. So that's Nia from Romana and Sushmita. Wind chime. Now. I never knew a wind chime could be like this. Hey, look at. Dude, hats off. Like seriously. You know, that's my favorite picture. You know.
New one.
Thanks so much, yaar. I mean, this is an amazing feeling, okay? Oh. This is ugly, but it's okay. This is cute. This is cute too. I've never seen a wind chime like this, yaar. This is super cool. It's actually very cool, yaar. That's so creative of you. I mean, that's my pictures. You know, it's like. Kind of you get pampered looking at yourself. मेरे घर में किसी ने एक पिलो भी भेजा था उसमें मैं ही बनी हूँ. I have never kept my head on it because I just kept it. But I kind of feel pampered when I see myself all around my house and my room. So it's just thank you.
It's from all four of them. Let's see.
Yeah, that's so creative of you guys.
No?
No, that's so sure.
Okay, those to them.
She said no.
They have their own way.
I have my own gift. Thank you very much. विरमान कैफे से नहीं वो मेरा एक गांव है.
हम लोग का second हो.
My native place. Right? To Nia from Anita. That also from Anita.
Open this.
And from Anita. Okay, she asked me to open this first. Your wish is my command. इन पैकिंग्स को खोलने का भी इतना दुख होता है ना. It's so beautifully packed and. और I'm one thing, you know, इतनी बारिश है, घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकता कोई, and despite all that they have managed to do so much. There is love in this world. That's blessing. Thank you. That must be the 20th Ganesh I'm getting in this shoot, in the span of this shoot. So that's really nice. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Hey, I love this color. It's Chembo. Yeah. Damn. I'm putting it right away. Just after this interview gets over, I will just put this both. See, it's the piggy pink. I'm using the same one, but I think this is better.
Liked it now.
I love it. I really love it. Yeah, you all know my choice more than my mother and my brother. I must say that. Oh. Is it a bracelet?
Yeah.
Wow, so cute. Okay, these are earrings. Very pretty. It's such a Barbie thing. Nice. Oh. I'm gonna use it with my dress. I have a black dress like this. Everything is usable, and you know, it's just wow. And again, wow. White. I've never had a white earrings in anything. Thank you so much, Anita. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna use everything. You will see in the show. Okay? What are you murmuring?
खुशहाल की गिफ्ट क्या करना है?
Okay, ask Kushal. उसके गिफ्ट का क्या करना है? Ask him. Ask him. He will reply. Seriously, he will reply from there. अरे live चल रहा है बाबा.
Actually,
You are waiting for the thali.
थाली.
Kushal, give na.
खाने की थाली. खाने की थाली. Late आए. तुम late आए.
हम बाहर थे.
Lunch is over. कुशाल, तुम्हारे गिफ्ट का क्या करे ये लोग? बताओ उन्हें.
These are your gifts. This is from me and Ayush. Ayush, I think you met her. She's from Jaya. She couldn't come here, so she's really sorry.
Oh. Thanks, Dhoni.
Yeah.
It's beautifully packed. I must say hats off to your. Oh, it's so cute.
Actually, we didn't want to put names in that because we wanted you all to decide which character you all resemble more. Like,
Yay, it is.
so I thought Jerry is better for you and it's perfect.
Yes.
Kushal can be
Jerry.
Tom.
I should have gotten Tom.
Oh, you
But that's
want?
okay. No, I'm just kidding. Jerry is cute. It is cute, yeah. I will hang it in my car. Hey, that's a dress, and I can see a very lovely color.
That's designed by me.
It is super. You know that? Okay, I'll tell you off. I went to London. I saw these everywhere. There was styles like these.
Yeah.
But the only thing that I couldn't get it. Now I'm regretting. I wear it,
Yeah.
and I just didn't get it because there was no size 6 available.
Oh.
The size 8, that would be
Yeah.
loose on me.
But I don't know
was
whether this will
longing
fit
to
you.
get one like this, and
That's a dress. Since you like peach, I picked a peach color.
oh damn, dude.
But again,
Why
I
did I
don't know
go
the
shopping
style.
yesterday and got it all? Hey, that's pretty, yeah. I'll wear it, go back home tonight. Oh, it's damn pretty, and I've got a matching belt also, so sorted. But I must say, choices of all of you is par excellence. You know, there is nothing that I can't choose, or I will say, oh,
Yeah.
nahi yaar, ye mera style nahi hai. But seriously, ये ऐसे choose करके लाते हैं जैसे they are my stylist or anything. But this is super one, okay? This is really, really nice.
I hope it fits you.
But you style?
Yeah. Because I'm a designer actually.
Why didn't I look at just ban my? You look super hot, dude. She's
No.
That's why did I mention that your dress is
Yeah,
nice?
thank
Is
you.
it does she look nice? She looks super nice, and see her. It reflects in her styles and very nice hair.
Thank you.
This is one of the coolest things I got. Oh yeah, I'm not going to throw these also. Very carefully. So now that.
It has those cutouts.
Ow. I seriously, did I click up? No, I didn't click up. I bought an exactly same dress, but not black.
Huh.
This color and a yellow color. So
Oh,
two
okay.
different colors and matching shoes with this. But I love it, yaar. See every style that I left, I've got it. I just got it. Thank you so much, Dhoni. It's so nice of you. yaar.
Again, these two also designed by me.
Again? Damn. Hey.
And it has slits on both sides.
Can you be my stylist? I am genuinely asking you.
And Diana, I can do it for you.
She's amazing, yeah. She's super. And even the color combination, there are dresses like these in the market, but the color that she has chosen, I think is just kind of weird, and it's something that she would not do in the box.
Yeah.
And looking at the dress, I would design something like
Yeah.
this. She has used her brains, and I love it, yeah. I've got a good stock. I'm ready to go in any party now. Just kidding. But it's a lovely dress, Bunny. Hats off to your styling. You're one of the best stylists.
Thank you.
You're going to be, you're just establishing yourself. So all the best to you. I love all these dresses and genuinely.
गिफ्ट्स के साथ साथ इन फैंस ने अपने फेवरेट मानवी और विराट के लिए प्लान किया एक और सरप्राइज।
You know, honestly, I want to confess, I've never really eaten cupcakes or anything, but this is the first time.
From that place, I think.
Yeah.
This is new.
Oh.
Okay, these are all the things like the cancer, that's the ribbon. Then for Virat we have the guitar. Then the ice cream, that orange candy you all had in one of the episodes. Then the cancer bike, I think he took you for a ride or something. Then that's Virat's punching bag. There, the one red one. Then you all used to message each other like all the time. So that's the phone. Then you all share an apple if I remember. So that's an apple. Then heart because of the love you all have. And that's the Turkish chai cup and saucer. We exactly taking the same colors. That's the PS controller because you all played video game on, I think on the show once. 1 or 2 episodes I think. Yeah. And that's the razor. The hair shape.
Who uses this much brains on today's time? Nobody has time to use brains, but they do. You know, everything, every cupcake has a story, you know, relating to our show. This stands for one of everything that we use in the show. This guitar is for Virat, his punching bag. You know, his razor, he shaved his hair off. And bike, we took a bike ride at night. Or apple, we shared an apple once in the scene. So everything, you know, every cupcake has a story, has a scene. You know, it's complete nostalgia if you look at it. I love it. I really like it. Thank you so much. But it's for me and Kushal both. So, I'll eat just 2, rest everything is for you, Kushal. Okay, so I'm going to keep his side. Thank you so much. I really like it. At least I'm glad you made it here. You know, it's really nice to meet you all.
गिफ्ट्स देने के बाद इन फैंस ने दिल खोल के गप्पे लड़ाए निया के साथ।
Messages में तो पागल कर देते हैं। reply. When they're spammed, I can't. My network doesn't work. So ask now. I'm ready to answer.
कहते हैं हर अच्छी शुरुआत का अंत जरूर होता है और फैंस और सेलिब्रिटी की इस मुलाकात का भी अंत हुआ।
So thanks all of you. I mean, I've got some of the best gifts ever in my show. Although every gift that has come my way, it's really nice. Even जब इन लोगों ने एंटर किया my unit, people were saying, oh no, girls आइए gifts लेकर आए हैं फिर से। People know, you know, how much we are loved. How many gifts do we get now and then? So every time कोई भी 4 लड़कियाँ 5 लड़कियाँ हमारे सेट पे दिख जाती हैं, so you know it starts talking, yeah, fans, gifts. So this is how, you know, you really have maintained a really nice. You like wind chime? I love it. Didn't I tell you? It's so cute. मेरे को लगा normal wind chime होगी भैया. So when I picked it like this and I saw my photo, I'm like, oh shit! So that's so creative of you. It's not just a wind chime, it's me hanging all over. Thank you so much. So thank you girls. I think this couldn't have been a better ending than this, and I'm going to miss every bit of it. And this part, meeting all of you and people I don't know, and I just meet them and instantly, you know, we click and we become friends, from fans to friends, and it's just nice. Every feeling is nice. And I'm sorry Kushal is not there. I know you were missing him. So again, huh? क्या हुआ? Hali. So next time they come, so even Kushal and I hope we meet you together.
और फिर निया ने इन सबको दी जादू की झप्पी। जाते जाते इन फैंस ने सारी यूनिट में चॉकलेट्स भी बांटे। ये दिन जरूर ही इन फैंस के लिए एक यादगार दिन था, और हो भी क्यों ना, अपने चहीते किरदार से मिलना कोई छोटी बात तो नहीं है। कैमरामैन संजय के साथ अक्सा अकबानी, डेली बाइट्स, मुंबई।